Hi, Alan Stratton from As Wood Turns. In this video, I'm going to show the early bird results from the 2018 Sphere Challenge. If you recall, the challenge is to turn a sphere. What you do with it is up to you, whether it's the sphere is the project or whether the project incorporates a sphere. It's just got to have a sphere somehow in the project. And, by the way, there's no requirement that you use the methods that I have illustrated. I think they're great, and especially for a beginner, but if you're experienced or have a jig already, go for it. All that we said is that it has to be a sphere, has to use a sphere, and get it in by the end of July 2018. Another thing, however, is remember that the submission process is actually a two-part thing. One is fill out the form so that I have the information to talk about your sphere, and the other is the actual picture of your sphere. So get it in. Multiple entries are acceptable and encouraged, and I hope you find the Sphere Challenge as inspirational as I do, to see the results that are up there and to see what else can I do. And I just want to run out to the shop and do one using that inspiration that I get from the challenge. So, if you can do that, go for it too. And anyway, by the end of July, get your sphere into the challenge, and we'll see what happens.